In today's video, I will show you how you can easily install Minikube in our local PC. Also, I will show you how you can easily install the kubectl. So before we start the video, just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel, because after completing the 60-day course, I will also create cloud and DevOps related video which will help your professional career. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now let's start today's class. First, I will give you the overview of the documentation, then I will explain and show you the hands-on. So topics is how we can install Minikube and kubectl. For installing Minikube in Ubuntu or Debian system, you just need to run that these two commands. Then you can install Minikube by running this command. Then after installing, you can verify by running this command, Minikube version. Then after installation complete, you need to start Minikube. You can start Minikube by this command. Make sure Docker is installed in your PC, otherwise you are not able to run that command. So first requirement is you need to install Docker, then install Minikube. So after start the Minikube, it will take a little bit time. So after like start complete, you can run Minikube status. You can see all are running. Then you can feel it's perfectly okay. If anything problem, then you need to run that command again. So after installing Minikube, you need to install kubectl. So for installing kubectl, you need to just run this command. So after installing kubectl, same way you can run that kubectl version. That's this client. You can see the kubectl client version. To test kubectl Minikube, you can run this command kubectl get nodes. It will show the nodes in your PC and it will show the Minikube nodes. Then you can run any deployment. So kubectl run hello world Minikube. Then you can take this image and it will expose 80 ports. Just run this command and you can get the port. Then you can kubectl get ports. You can see their ports. And for exposing or browsing that port, you need to run this command again. So you need to run kubectl expose port hello Minikube. Then type node port. Then port 80. Then you need to run this command to get the URL. So after you get the URL, you can just copy that URL and paste your browser. You can see one website is running. This way we can deploy any pod or service in Kubernetes cluster. And Minikube is our local system. So when you're testing anything, we are using Minikube in our local environment. Now I will explain how we can install and show you the hands-on demo. So let me scroll up and we'll open a different window. Go to Google and search the Minikube installation. Then this page will come. Here it will show the minimum requirement of our PC. So we need at least 2 CPU and 2 GB RAM and 20 hard disk free space. So this is the minimum requirement to install Minikube in our local PC. Then which OS we need to install. If I choose Linux, then x86 stable binary, then this will be shown. So if I use Windows, then this will change. So in this example, I will use Linux x86 and stable and binary download. So this link we need to install for Minikube. For installing Minikube, we need to do some prerequisites. So first of all, we need to install update and upgrade. Then we need some installation prerequisite, and we need to install Docker and kubectl. So let me first update. Update and upgrade at a time. So our upgrade is complete. Now I need to run the prerequisite software. So it's done. So now I install Docker. So now I need to install add the user in the Docker group. So running user sudo user mode So it will add the current user in the Docker group. So now I need to new GRP. So if I use this, then I don't need to log in and log out. So now if I use Docker PS, like it will execute the Docker command. So there is no container is running. So now I need to install kubectl. So kubectl is done. So it's showing the version. Okay, so now I need to install the Minikube, which we opened before. So we need to Linux, x86, stable, and binary. So copy this one. So Minikube main software is downloaded. So if I run Minikube, version is showing the Minikube current version. So like when we start Minikube initial first time, we need to choose some driver. So we can use VirtualBox, KVM2, or any other. So the best way is like we use driver Docker. So that's why we install Docker. So if I run Minikube, then start, then dash driver equal to Docker. So it will take some time. So let me pause the video. So Minikube installation complete. So if I run Minikube status, it will show it's running. Okay, so now if I say kubectl get all, it will show the just Minikube Kubernetes running cluster. So if I say kubectl get nodes, it's showing the Minikube cluster only. Okay, so we don't have any deployment or service file here. So we if I run any deployment service, then we can understand how the kubectl or deployment file is running. So let me create a file for purpose. Let me create a folder first. So let me run the file. So the deployment service file is running. So if I now run kubectl get all, we can see we have two pods is running, the service is running, and deployment and ReplicaSets running. So basically this file is what I created here. It show this replica. There is two ReplicaSets. That's why it's created two node. Okay, so if I want to see how the page is showing, so we need to browse the site. So this service you need to browse. So for getting the IP address or URL, we need to type Minikube, then service, then the service name. So here service's name is the Nginx service. So it will show the URL and the port number. So now if I curl, so it will show the Nginx default base. Okay, so this way we can easily install Minikube in our local PC. So for the prerequisite is we need 2 CPU and 2 GB RAM and 20 GB free hard disks, and we need to install Minikube before. We need to install Docker and kubectl, then we install the Minikube. So this is the most easiest way we can install Minikube in our local environment. So if you feel this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Next video we will discuss any different topics of Kubernetes.